What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie McQueen. On this channel, I love to give you guys tons of cleaning tips and hacks. So in this video, we're going to be talking about microfiber cloths. I love to clean with these things. They work so well. They pick up so much dirt and grime, but as you can see, they get very dirty. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to properly wash these so that you don't damage the fibers and they're long lasting. So first things first, you only want to wash them with each other. Never wash microfiber cloths with other fabrics, other clothing, only with each other. And if you have a whole bunch of them that you use for different things, I would separate them out. Like say if you use some for car detailing or whatever it may be. Second, you want to make sure that you wash them on warm or cold water, preferably cold, but mine is set up like this. And I'm going to turn it to a small load. Heat can damage microfiber, so never that. You also only want to use a free and clear laundry detergent. Never add bleach or fabric softener. Those also can damage your microfiber towels. And last, always hang dry them. I should get a little rack to hang them, but this will do. Definitely don't put them in the dryer. Like I said, that can cause damage, and they also collect so much lint and hair, and you'll pull them out and it'll look all bad. I hope you have found this video useful and helpful to you. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new to my channel. Share this video and go ahead and go watch the next video that YouTube suggests for you to watch. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.